like them. It sucks me out and then make like them.
Hi guys, look who's back. Hey, I'm Deb, if you're new here, and if you're not, hey, welcome back. We're glad to have you. Today I have something I have not gotten before. I have a ThredUp coach haul. Now this comes to $100, I believe it was, and you get 4 purses and 1 accessory. And I'm at the stage, well, you wouldn't have had to pay shipping on this one anyway, because it's one of the higher price ones. But I don't have to pay shipping on mine from ThredUp anymore. But anyway, this is what it looks like inside. And sometimes they just lay this on top. They don't put it on your stuff. Which, okay. So, I'm just going to pull them up one at a time. And these are all certified coach. Some from the factory, some from the outlet, I would assume. But here's, I mean, it's not really, it's a black purse. It's got a small handle. It has, this is really hard on these leather ones. Has your creed right there. And I can't see well enough to tell you if let's see, it's N9 H926145. It's in good shape, but it's obviously been, you know, that's what that looks like. I don't really see any flaws with it, but just where it's been stored. Sorry about the glasses. Can't afford non-reflective ones, so there you go. Okay, here's the next one. This one's definitely different. And it's pink and red. No, I guess it's dark pink. I don't know. To me that looks red, but I guess it's supposed to be dark pink. There's a, is this decorated? No, it's a functional zipper. It's a pouch right there. Kind of stinks. And I don't smell very well, so. Here's the easiest thing to do on this. Okay, you have a pouch in here. It's N3 30323 13333. And that's what that looks like. Has that magnetic closure here. And it has an adjustable strap. And that's what that looks like. And here's your tag. It does have a spot on the back, but I'm not sure if I can get that off or not. So it has a small spot right there. I'm not sure if I can get it off or not, but we'll see. And then here we have a patent leather one. It says Coach Puppy. That's what it says on Coach Puppy. And here's that. And I found this is the easiest way to do this. It has the heart insignia. There is no creed on it at all, which is weird. See, that has that. But it doesn't have any creed. It does have your tag right there. So, it's cute. I really like it. I really like it. And it'd be cute at the holidays. It would be cute at the holidays. Yeah, I do like that. When I first looked at it, I didn't think I did. But the more I looked at it, the more I did. Okay, then we have this one. This one is a crossbody. And it's cute. Does need some cleaning. Yeah, it needs some cleaning. But it has the big pocket here, and it does have a Creed. Then you have this pocket back here. And then it has a pocket here. This is removable. And it has the shoulder protector and it's adjustable. So yeah, I like that one. I do like that one. That's what that looks like. Let's see what our accessory is. Okay, here's our accessory, and it needs cleaning, but it'll be alright. But this is what it looks like. This is the back. It needs a cleaning. Of course, it may just be where it's tan, and I'm thinking it's off-white. But it's a card holder. And here's this. Put your license in here and your cards in here. You have a keychain at this end and a handle at this end. So what'd you think about that? They're all in good shape. And I probably can't get my money back out of them. But I'm probably going to keep one for myself, and I'm probably going to give one to my sister, maybe if she's nice to me. Because she loves Coach purses. But she's got to be nice first. That's my first Coach purse. Box from ThredUp. What'd you think of that one? I think I can... If I give my sister one and I keep one, then I think I can get a good portion of my money back just because... And basically that way I kept one and she kept one for nothing. Anyhow, if you like what you see here, hey, come on back, join us. We now have our community. I'm all excited. Nobody else understands, but I'm all excited. Anyway, come back and join us.